Staycation near Philippine Arena located sa Marilao, perfect for family of 4. Tara, yung mga kanusan nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami dapat budget sa Deca Homes Marilao, Bulacan para mag-staycation sa CM Staycation. Yes, self-check-in to kaya no problem kahit late kayo mag-check-in. Malawak ang unit kaya naman good for 4 packs din siya. Ito yung kitchen area na may provided basic appliances like ref, microwave oven at iba pa. May mga cooking wares at syempre may provided dining wares din. This is their dining area na may 4-seater table na may full body size mirror on the side. Ito naman ang sofa area na may hanging closet on the side. This is their comfort room na may shower, toilet, and bidet and sink. Syempre, ang queen size bed na nasa harap ang smart TV kung saan pwede ka mag-Netflix and chill, pag-video kayo with their portable mic, at pwede maglaro ng mga board games and card games o kaya ng game console nila. May free wifi, provided towel, guest kit, at free water. Meron silang pay parking, swimming pool, and court. Ito yung rates nila if pagbabook ka. O ano pa hinintay nyo? Tara dito sa CM Staycation sa Marilao, Bulacan. Let's go!